Welcome to another Best Photo Resize video tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to use the Photoshop action tool to resize best photos. As you can see, the size of this photo are different from each other. So, open any photo in Photoshop. Click on Window from the menu bar. Then click on Action. Go to the Action panel. Click on the Create New Set folder icon. You can use any name here. Now click on the OK button. The folder is created. Click on the Create New Action icon. You can use any name here. Now click on the Record button. Our recording has started. Now click on Image from the menu bar. Then click on the image size. You can use any image size you like. Here I will make the height 1500 pixel. Click the OK button. Now go to the Action panel. Click on the Stop icon. Our action recording has stopped. Now close this photo. Now click on the File from the menu bar. Go to Script. Click on the Image Processor. Go to your Photos folder. Click on the address bar. Then click the right button. Click on Copy. Again, go to Image Processor dialog box. Click on the Select folder. Click on the address bar. Then click the right button. Click on Paste. Now press the Enter button from the keyboard. Click on the OK button. Now at the bottom, go to the Run action. Click on the Default action drop-down box. Click on the Photo Resize folder we have already created some time ago. Now click on the drop-down box next to it. Click on Photo Resize action. Then click on the Run button. You can see the photo are being resized one by one. Wait a few seconds. Go to your Photos folder. The photos are all resized. Let's check. You can see a folder named JPG has been created. Open the folder. You can see that the height of all photos is 1500 pixel. Thank you very much everyone.